already tried to film this video once and I forgot to turn my mic on. I love that for me. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a very exciting unboxing. I haven't done one of those in quite a while, but we are going to be unbagging, technically, this month's CO bag. That is right, you guys. This is actually a jewelry subscription bag, and I wanted to unbox this for you guys and see what we think. Also, just a couple of tiny announcements before we get into this. I just recently got a new mic. It is right here in front of me. I'm using that to record with today, so I really hope that the audio sounds good. I'm actually really scared about it because this is the first video that I'm filming with the new mic. So if it sounds good, please let me know. Also, I did mess with my lighting a bit as well, just because it's super dark outside and normally I wouldn't be able to film right now. So I got an extra ring light and I put it up here to see if I could boost the lighting, boost the atmosphere, and I got a cute little moon back there. Anyways, please just let me know if the audio and the quality, like the visuals, look good. Great. Anyways, this box bag right here, I keep saying box, but this bag, again, is a jewelry subscription and it is $60 a month, which is actually pretty pricey, but we're gonna open this up today and see what is inside. This is part of the February box. Let's just get into it. So opening this up here, maybe we'll have some good ASMR moments because of the new mic, I don't know. But if you guys don't know, this is actually Kathleen's sister, Ilia. This is her brand. So Kathleen Lights on YouTube. This is her sister's jewelry brand and it's very cute. You also have a little card right here and it gives like the full value of all of the items. This month's theme is Mademoiselle because it is like Paris themed, very, very cute. But here is what the jewelry comes in. It's in this little velvet pouch that says CO on the front, and then you just open this up and we have 3 little bags inside and each one contains some of the jewelry. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. I'm actually really scared. Like, I hope the mic is doing a good job. So here are, I love these hoops, I swear, even the first time I did this unboxing, I still love these. Here are what the first item looks like. They're like these tiny gold hoops, but they have a little floating bit in the center there and it has a little clasp. And I actually love earrings that have like an actual like clasping on the back, or it has like a attachment for the thing to really go into just so it doesn't slip out. I'm always worried that ones that just have like a locking mechanism, I'm afraid they're just not going to work very well and they're going to break. So now when I first did this video, these hoops are really quite hard to get in your ear. Like, they're just like, this little bit right here is just free floating and it just moves around with the earring. So when you're trying to get it in, you don't really have much to hold on to. So it can be a little bit difficult, this one, but they are super cute. Oh, see, it fell out. Like the little middle bit right here, it's not attached to anything, so it just fell right out. So I have to put it back on here. I wish it was attached at least by a little something, because I have a feeling these are going to be really hard to get in like over time and stuff. Okay. So there we go. Here are what they look like. They are super duper cute. Again, I really, really like these earrings. They're a little bit hard to get in, like I said, but other than that, they're super cute. The next thing we have here is this adorable ring. This right here is a little stackable ring, and it has like a little diamante black gem in the middle. And I actually am going to put this on my middle finger right here. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, I love this ring so much. It's so dainty. Everything in this bag is pretty dainty, and that's one of my favorite things. I love dainty jewelry, but this ring is like a total win for me. just because it's really tight to my finger, if that makes any sense at all. It's really tight, it feels nice, it's not going anywhere, like it fits perfectly, and each of these rings are sizable. So on the back you have like a little thing here so you can size it to your hand, and also this one right here is sizable as well. So that's all for the first little bag. Next up we have this bag, and in here we have two things. Well, technically four, but they're pairs of things. These tiny little baby studs, they're like, they have pearls in them, and they're so cute. And then it has that same black little gemstone underneath the pearls. I love it so much. Okay, and here are what these look like. They're so cute. Again, I love these. I think they're so adorable. They're like, you can actually just make an entire jewelry look with this bag here. Like you have a ring, you have a few pairs of earrings actually, because we're not done with earrings, and you also have a necklace. This right here, you have a set of ear cuffs as well, and they're like scalloped, is that the word? But they look really cute, and so you have two, so you can do one on each ear, you could do two on one ear. So like you could have both, you can have one on each, but I would feel like super duper symmetrical if I did that. I don't know, but I'm just gonna have the one right here because I think it looks so cute. So there's that. I love ear cuffs. I think they're one of the cutest ear accessories that you can get. They're some of my favorites. But I'll put the little second guy in its bag right here. And then we are on to the final bag, and this is a necklace. Is that, how do you say it? Do you say necklace or necklace? I say necklace, but I just wanted to be funny. I don't know. All right, and here is what this looks like. Again, keeping with the super dainty theme, it is just a gold chain, and it has this little black pendant on it, like a little diamond shape. So cute. And you can adjust this to however you want, I think. Yeah, so each, all of these little options here, you can choose whichever one you want and put it on. I usually like my necklaces to be kind of like chokers, so I put it on the very last setting. There we go. I actually have two on right now. I have this one that I actually also got from CEO, not in a subscription box, but I just wanted it on its own. But it's a little Gemini symbol right here, and I actually wear this one every day, all day. I don't take it off. I love that one. But here's what this one looks like, and it's so cute. And you could even stack it with the other ones, so I'm gonna keep this on because I like it. It's adorable, and I think it looks really nice as well. Anyways, that is everything that is inside the bag for the month of February, but we are gonna go over the little card and I'll give you some pricing on everything. So the Mon Amour, who I don't speak French. Anyways, the hoops right here, these ones, these are $55. The Mademoiselle stack ring is $58. The necklace right here is $48. The studs right here are $25, and the ear cuffs are $32 for the pair. So the full total value is $218. So that's actually not bad at all. I know that $60 can sound a lot, especially when you're buying jewelry. Like you can buy pretty cheap jewelry for like $5, but I actually got some jewelry the other day from this company called Taupe, and I only got one pair of earrings, and that one pair of earrings was $65 on its own. So I think if you're getting 5 pieces of jewelry here, and they're pretty good quality, like they're not bad by any means, like they're super cute, and for $60 for 5 pieces of jewelry, I think that's actually a steal, and $218 value. I think it's pretty worth it if you like jewelry, but yeah, I'm actually really into this. I think it's so freaking cute. Okay, so yeah, that's the video, guys. I really hope that you did enjoy it. And please again, let me know if the mic is good, because I really hope it is. I feel like a gamer being like really close to the mic like this. or like a streamer. I don't know, but I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, then please go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. And again, my name is Kenzie. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Please work this time. Oh my god.